fix that. Whoa! 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 Oh, hey my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal. The handyman that has a plan. Oh, welcome to the workshop. You know, it's actually been kind of a slow day today. Can you tell? Look at my work table. It's a little empty, but it is an awesome work table, right? I built this with some of my awesome tools back there. Oh, you know, whenever the days are slow like this, there's a lot of things I like to do on my work table. A lot of fun to have, things I like to put on top of it. Check this out, like this. Look, it's the world's tiniest leaf blower. Oh, isn't that awesome? It's nice and bright and green. Oh, and look, has a power cord to it. Let's plug it up. I've got an extension cord somewhere. Oh, here it is. There we go. Sweet. I got a nice bright orange extension cord. So let's see here. Plug it up. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. Check it out. I get to use this for all kinds of stuff on my work table. Well, let's see. Let's see what I got here. Oh, there we go. Got a little bit of dirt in here. Just in case if my table gets a little dirty. Check it out. I get to use this. Watch out, don't let it get in your eyes. Isn't that great? Yes. This is working great. Isn't it awesome? The world's tiniest leaf blower. You know, I've got another really great idea for this. Check this out. It's here somewhere. Hold on. Still here somewhere. Oh, I think it's on this side. Oh, yes, found it. Do you know what this is? It's bubbles. I really do love bubbles. Let's see here if we can. Oh, these are special bubbles. Oh, yep. All right, here we go. You ready? Oh, wow. That's great. All right, let's see here if I can. Oh, and then we can take the blower and we can blow them all over the place. Oh, wow. That's great. Oh, so much fun. Well, let's try it one more time. That's correct. Oh, wow. So much fun. You know, when you really don't have anything on your agenda to do, you can be so creative and have fun with all kinds of stuff, like bubbles and the world's smallest leaf blower. I do have some more great things that I like to play with. Let's see. Ooh, like this. Oh, yes. Do you know what this is? It's a wind dancer. Or wait, it's missing a battery. It's battery powered. Let's see. I've got battery somewhere around here. Yep. Maybe it is on the side. Oh, it is on the side. Oh, check it out. I've got my battery. All right, this is a 9-volt battery. It's kind of like a rectangular box. Oh, all right, so let's get it in here. Let's see. Oh, look at that. I think this is it right here. Perfect. All right, there's got to be a. Oh, whoa! There it is. Oh, isn't that great? Oh. This one is a red wind dancer. It's so cool. We can sit on the edge of our desk as we work throughout the day. Oh, it's great. Oh, but you know, I even have a bigger one. Look at this. a little bit bigger in size. And you should check out the wind dancer for it. Look. It's me. All right, so let's get this on here. It's the Handyman Hal wind dancer. Oh, yes. Let's see. Oh, and it's power too. Let's see. Orange extension cord. Here we go. Now, of course, remember, when you're dealing with electricity, you gotta make sure that you're safe and that there's an adult around. All right, here we go. Plugged it up. Let's flip the switch. Oh, wow! Look at it! Oh, that's great! And you know, let's turn this one on too. Look at it. It's 2 wind dancers. It's great. Oh, can you dance like a wind dancer? Right? It's so much fun. Oh, that's awesome. Totally awesome. All right, let's see here. We can turn that off. We can turn that off. I like to sit these on the edge of my work desk while I'm working to entertain me. It's great. Oh, I have one other great thing down here. Check this out. You know what this is? It's jumping teeth. Oh, we get to wind it up. Watch, here it goes. You ready? That's great. It's really funny. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Wind it up some more. Let's see. Whoa, that one went really fast. Oh, you know what? I've got more. Oh, let's see here. We'll wind this one up. Let it go. We're gonna wind this one up. Let it go. And this one too. Look. Oh, here we go. Oh, it fell off the table. That's okay. There you go. These are so much fun. You get to have so much fun whenever there's nothing to do. You get to use some really cool toys. This is great. I love it. Oh, yes. Oh, that's totally awesome. Oh, you know, wonder if we can get both the wind dancers going and all of the teeth jumping at one time. That would be really awesome, right? All right, here we go. So let's start on this one. Let's see here. Get the Handyman Hal wind dancer going. Oh, perfect. All right, let's get the red one going. There we go. All right. Now, maybe we can wind one of the jumping teeth. Perfect. And hold it. Let's see. Let's go to this second one. Wind it. Oh, yes. All right, there we go. Hold it. And then we'll go to the third one. We're almost there. Oh, this is going to be fantastic. Both wind dancers and 3 jumping teeth all at the same time. Here we go. Are you ready? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, that went crazy. Oh, look at him. There they go. Oh, go back that way. Oh, yes. That's absolutely amazing. Come on here. Oh, hey my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. Hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. Check it out. We're cleaning out the garage today. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh, look. What is this? Oh, there's a package outside. Oh, looks like we got a delivery from me. Oh, I don't know what it is. Come on. Let's find out what this is. Oh, we need a box opener. Oh, here we go. Let's see here. I know there's one over here somewhere. Oh, huh. Let's see. Oh. Oh, screwdriver. Let's see, it's in here somewhere. Oh, here we go. Got it. Come on. Oh, yes. can't wait to see what's inside this. Now, if you ever use a box opener, be really, really careful because it's really sharp. Always make sure that there's an adult with you. All right, so we're gonna do one right here. Oh, yep. Gonna do some on this side. There we go. And on this side here. There we go. Oh, that's really sharp. Close it back. Let's see. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Oh, I couldn't wait till this got in. Oh, this is gonna be great. Come on. Oh, my friends, do you know what this is? This is a wind dancer, and they're extremely exciting and a lot of fun. It starts out with the base just like this right here, and inside there's a fan, and it's operated by a powerful motor that shoots air up into the wind dancer. Well, let's see. We've got it plugged up. Let's test it out. Whoa! Woo! It works perfectly. So then what we do is we actually take the wind dancer, and this is it, and they're really, really long. Oh, and we have to attach it to the base. And it has Velcro on it. So Velcro on the inside and Velcro on the outside part of it. So what we do is we take the wind dancer and we attach it to this gigantic fan. We got to get it on nice and good and secure. That way it doesn't come off whenever the fan's on. Oh, there we go. Can you hear the Velcro? Yep. There we go. Oh, nice and tight and snug there. Let's see. Almost. Perfect. I think we got it on there perfectly now. Now this wind dancer, I had customized just for me. And I can't wait for you to see it. Oh, let's turn it on. There we go. Wow! Look! It's me! It's the Handyman Hal wind dancer! Whoa! This is totally awesome! He's totally awesome! Oh yeah! Woo! Awesome. Oh, look, he's even got his tool belt on. He's got his screwdrivers. He's got his hammer, a wrench. Oh, that's great. He's got his safety vest on and his hard hat. This is great.